This video overviews the basic function and usage of projection and audio systems in William Patterson lecture halls. To control audio and video for the room, use the touch panel located on the podium. If the touch panel is dark, tap the panel to bring up the home screen. Tapping the home screen will bring you to the source selection screen and activate audio in the room. If you only need to use the microphone or program audio from the podium computer, you do not need to select any source. The audio in the room will remain active for 5 hours after the last tap of the touch panel. To adjust microphone volume, tap the Mics button and adjust the volume slider or tap mute as needed. If you would like to use wireless microphones, you will need to reserve them ahead of time with Web Checkout Portal by using the QR code here or calling the Technical Services window. Please note, the wireless microphones will need to be reserved before your event, picked up from, and returned after to Hamilton Hall. If you are using the projector, on the Select a Source screen, tap a source from the options on the left. The projector will activate, and the screen will begin to lower. Selecting Podium PC displays the computer installed into the podium on the projector screen and sends the audio to the room speakers. HDMI allows you to display any device with an HDMI output on the projection screen using the supplied HDMI cable. USB-C has the same functionality as HDMI, but also supplies power to the connected laptop and gives USB access to the hovercam, conferencing camera, and microphones. The buttons at the bottom of the screen provide information and/or control for various functions. The camera button displays controls for the conferencing camera. Other buttons on the bottom will bring you to screens that instruct how to use the hovercam camera or play DVDs. Tapping Blank Screen can be used to hide the content being displayed on the screen if needed. Blank Screen does not turn off the projector, so please avoid using this function for extended periods as it wastes electricity and shortens projector life. When you are finished using the projector, tap Shut Down, then Yes to confirm. This will turn off the projector but leave audio active for the next 5 hours. If you have any questions or would like training in any of these rooms ahead of your scheduled event, please create a Helpdesk ticket under the request type Podium Equipment Classroom Technology Support and select Request Training from the second dropdown. If you require immediate lecture hall AV assistance, please call the Helpdesk and press 1.